Welcome back to our channel, Linux lovers. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of hidden files using the touch command. Hidden files are files in Linux that are preceded by a dot, making them invisible in the file manager by default. But fear not, because with the power of the touch command, we can create and manage these hidden files with ease. So let's get started. Alright, before we begin, give your root permission and let's make sure we're in a directory where we want to create our hidden files. In my case, I'm in my desktop directory. You can use the pview command to check your current directory. Let's create a directory naming hidden, and then I will use cd to enter hidden directory. Now I will create some text files for perfect explanation. Using ls command, check the new text files created now are present in this directory. Now let's create our first hidden file. Type touch, hidden file. Great. Now if we list the files in the directory using the ls command, we won't see our newly created hidden file. But don't worry, it's there. We can get it using ls command. You might be wondering, why would I want to create a hidden file? Well, hidden files are commonly used to store configuration data or sensitive information that you don't want to clutter your regular file listing. And that's it for today's video, Linux lovers. We've explored the touch command and its hidden file capabilities. Now you can create, edit, and delete hidden files in Linux like a pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Linux-related content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.